are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, 8 speakers, bucket seats, trip computer, MP3 player. Come see the car for yourself.